So, Alina, I welcome you to yet another episode of Power
Kid!
Great. So, high five.
High five.
Tag. So, do you know today why we are having this webinar?
Yes,
क्यों बताओ?
because I'm going to motivate people to read books.
Yes, you are going to motivate people to read books. But for now, the first thing that I want to ask, how many books you have read till now?
On the Amazon Kindle, I've read 95 books in 3 to 4 months, and in real life, there's too many to count.
Okay, so what's your age?
My age is 9. I'm going to be 10 in October.
And which school you are?
In Manav Rachna.
Manav Rachna. Okay, so my second thing that I want to ask, who motivates you to read?
My father.
How?
Because he reads books so much, I get curious what's in books so much. Why does he like them so much? So I'm like, I ask him and he's like, they're good. It's like reading a movie. So I get curious and I start reading them, and then I get more and more interested. So I like
Do you remember the very first moment when you actually took interest in reading books? You're like, wow, I'm going to read that book.
Yes.
Sure?
It was my first book only, and I was so interested in it that I can read all this stuff. I was not that good at reading. I used to like, what is this written? How do I pronounce it? But the more I read, the more I got used to it. Then I started, like my all friends are interested in Barbie and girly stuff. I got interested in too, and then I started reading those books. Sometimes I wanted other people to read them for me, mostly my mama. Then, like I got interested in adventure stories and people's diaries, and that's what kind of books I read now.
Wow, that is so inspiring, baby. Okay, so why do you think your age girls should read so many books? Why do you think so?
As it helps you in your studies, you don't have to stare at a screen all the time, and you can cure your boredom and do something that's actually fun, and it's not harming anything. You're just reading. Nothing bad in that.
And did it happen to you like when you are too much knowledgeable, it gives a boost in your friend list as well, and your friends look up to you and say, wow, Alina is so knowledgeable?
Mostly they do, but I don't understand what's so great about it. You can also read books, then you can also become that.
Yeah, actually that is nothing great, but the very small thing makes great things happen. You may think it's a very small thing, but why I'm having this webinar, this is also a reason to appreciate you, to continue it and never stop reading as many books as you can. Beside that, book reading as your passion, hobby, what are the other things that you do?
I like to play sports, is the most thing I like. I like to play games. I like to hack things. I don't know why, I just like to hack things.
You are a power kid, right?
Yes.
What is your experience as a power kid till now?
I like being a power kid because it helps you do many things. It motivates you to try new things, and it motivates you to push your limits higher and break limits other people have made.
Wow. So do you recommend other kids to be a part of Power Kid?
Yes.
Why?
Because it will help them in their studies, it will help them in communication with other people, and they're going to be happy about it.
Wow, thank you so much. I'm so glad that you have given these comments to me. I feel like working more, I feel like giving more, I feel like creating more value. So the last question to you, give me your 3 best books that you're going to suggest others to read.
First is Diary of an Almost School Girl, Book 4, My New Buddy.
Mm-hmm.
Second is Legend of Dave the Villager, Book 24.
Mm-hmm.
And third is Legend of Dave the Villager, Book 21.
Wow, this is amazing, baby. Can we clap for Alina? This is so good. Now I want to take a shift to your mom and I want to ask her that your daughter is into dance, is into gymnastics, then she's into taekwondo martial arts, then she's good into studies, she gives her friends, she empowers her friends. Being a mother, what it takes to actually align her with so many other things?
I think she aligns me for so many things. I look at her as my guru, as my mentor. She has taught me so much in this journey of motherhood. And otherwise, I feel like ultimately the kids don't follow what you say. Kids follow what you do. So you just have to set the right example for your children and just continue being on the right path, setting the new trends which they can follow.
एक बात बताओ प्रीति,
Yes.
how do you take today's generation kids to read books? What is that 1 or 2, 3 tricks that you will suggest to young mothers so that their kids also read a lot of books?
So it's like at our home, we all 4 of us have our different libraries. Okay, so we have our sections of books, and we love being with our books. So the kids keep on watching from the early childhood how the books are placed, how books are related to, how books are cherished. Just by seeing how their parents relate to the books. Ultimately, we are always the role model for our kids. तो जब तक हम अच्छा एग्जाम्पल सेट करते रहेंगे, जब तक हम उनके लिए सही ट्रैक पे रहेंगे, वो तो फॉलो करेंगे.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for being a part of today's session. I really wish, Alina, that you grow, and you always be a part of Power Kid, and you inspire others. You inspired so many other kids, baby. So be you, be the power version of yourself, so that we always look up to you as our hope for a better world.
Thank you for creating this beautiful community, this wonderful, powerful platform. I am in love with what you're doing. Totally. Yes.
So,
Alina,
Alina,
kids like her.
what are the 3 things that you're going to say now?
I am a power kid.
More. I am
I am a power kid. I am a power kid.
great.